whatever address you specify. So let's get started here. You're going to want to open up your Visual Studio or C# Express Edition and hit New Project, and on the Visual C# tab, you'll want to go to Windows and then Windows Form Application. Now, you can name yours whatever you want. I'm going to name mine C# Email Client Tutorial, and then let that load up. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down and find text box and make 2 of them, and then scroll up and make a button, and then kind of set those the way you want. Sorry, just need to get these set up. And then you're going to want to create 2 labels and position those right next to the boxes, and rename label 1 or label 2, sorry, to password. And then label 1 to username. And then you're going to want to rename button 1 to login. And you're going to want to double click on the button 1. And we're going to be doing go back to form1.cs design and Solution Explorer. And on the project, you're going to want to go to right click, add new item. Scroll down and find Windows Form. And then go back to Form 1 and do Form 2 is equal to new Form 2, Form 2, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, Form 2 dot show, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon. And then once you have that typed out, basically that's just going to open the new form on the button click. Now once that is typed out, you're going to want to go to the public, under the public partial class, form 1, form, curly bracket, you're going to want to type public static text box, TB equals new text box, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, public static text box, TB1 is equal to new text box, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, and then go back to form1.cs design and double click on the form itself. You want to do TB is equal to text box 1, semicolon, and then TB is equal to text box 2. Sorry, TB1 is equal to text box 2. Basically, that's just saying that this public class of the text box we created is going to be equal to whatever we put in text box 1, and then this public class of text box we created is going to be equal to whatever we put in text box 2. Now, sorry I'm going so fast, we've got to move quick. You're going to want to make 4 text boxes here, and then 4 labels, and then 1 button. Put the button at the very bottom, and then kind of just put the labels in kind of a sort of an order. Get them out of the way for now. Now, text box 4 is going to go on the bottom, text box 3 goes to label 3, text box 2 goes to label 2, and text box 1 goes to label 1. Just put these kind of in however you want it to look for your email client. And then once we have these set up, leave the label. Once again, sorry I'm going so fast. I did a test run and my video was 14 minutes long, and seeing as I'm not a YouTube partner, I can only have videos that are 10 minutes long. So you're going to want to go over to the properties for text box 4, and you're going to go into the behavior tab, and you're going to want to change multi-line to true, and then resize it. And then click on label 4, and you're going to rename label 4 to body. And then label 3, you're going to want to rename to subject. Sorry. Label 2, you're going to rename to from. from, and then label 1 is going to be renamed to 2. T-O. Now, you're going to want to rename label or button 1 to send, and then double click on it. Now you're going to want to go to the top and you're going to want to type using system dot net semicolon, and then using system dot net dot mail. Make sure everything is capitalized, the first letter, and then come down here and you're going to want to type SMTP client is equal to new SMTP client, open parentheses, quotations, smtp.gmail.com, close quotations, comma, and then the port for Gmail is 587. If you'd like to find out the port of your server, if your email provider, just Google it. Say like Yahoo SMTP client or SMTP information. Anyways, back to this. After you've typed all that out, you're going to want to hit enter, and then client.credentials is equal to new network credential, open parentheses, form1.tb.text, and then form1.tb1.text, and then semicolon. Now, if you'd like to understand why you have to put the form 1, you can view my master collection, which is the 6th tutorial. Basically, that's where we went over form sharing. So basically, you can take information from one form and put it on a second form, and so that way when you log in, you automatically have your credentials in for this. That way you don't have to have text boxes on your email client. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to do new mail message, mail message, MSG is equal to new mail message, open parentheses, close parentheses, semicolon, and then message dot 2 is equal to, or 2.add, open parentheses, mail message, new mail address, open parentheses, semicolon, text box, open parentheses, text box 1.text, close parentheses, semicolon, and then message dot from is equal to new mail address, open parentheses, text box 2.text, close parentheses, semicolon, and then message dot subject is equal to text box 3.text, semicolon, and then message dot body, is equal to text box 4.text, and then semicolon. And for Gmail, you've got to make sure you do this. Client.enable SSL is equal to true, semicolon. And then after that, you're going to want to do client.send, open parentheses, MSG, close parentheses, semicolon. Now basically you created a new client, your new instance of it using the SMTP address of Gmail, and then their port, and then you're following the credentials as the text boxes from form 1 as your login and then your password, and then you created a new message, message.to, so whoever it's going to send it to, it's going to read text box 1, and then message.from, it's using text box 2 to find out. Oh, and sorry, make sure you add double parentheses there. And then message.subject is going to read text box 3, and then message.body is going to read text box 4. Enable SSL, that's just a secure thing for Gmail, and then that's just telling it to send it. So if we hit debug here,